Electric cars, hybrids, and petrol vehicles, three different paths. One big question: which one is right for the future? Let's dive into a full comparison to help you decide what to drive in 2025 and beyond. First, the basics. A petrol car is powered entirely by gasoline. It's the traditional choice, widely available, and has been around for over a century. You fuel it up at any gas station, and it's ready to go. No plugs, no batteries, just combustion. Hybrid cars, on the other hand, use both a petrol engine and an electric motor. They're designed to switch between gas and electricity, or even use both at once. The result? Better fuel efficiency and lower emissions, especially in city driving. And then we have fully electric vehicles, EVs. These run 100% on electricity. No gas tank, no exhaust pipe. You charge them up at home or at a public station, and they drive using only electric motors powered by battery packs. So what about performance? EVs are known for their instant torque. That means they accelerate faster, smoother, and quieter than almost any petrol car. It's like flipping a light switch. The power is immediate. Hybrids don't quite match that. Their electric motor helps, but they still rely on a petrol engine for most of their power. It's a smoother ride than pure petrol, but not as thrilling as an EV. Petrol cars have decent performance, especially those with turbo engines, but they can't match the instant response of electric motors. Plus, they're noisier and produce more vibration while driving. Now let's talk about cost. EVs have a higher upfront price, but they save money long term. You don't pay for gas, oil changes, or many of the common engine repairs. Plus, government incentives in many regions can reduce the purchase price. Hybrids are usually priced in the middle. They're more expensive than petrol cars, but more affordable than EVs. They also save on fuel, but you still need regular maintenance like oil changes and engine servicing. Petrol cars are the cheapest to buy, but the most expensive to own over time. Gas prices are volatile, and these cars need the most maintenance, oil changes, transmission service, exhaust system repairs, and more. Next, refueling and convenience. Petrol cars are the easiest to refuel. Just stop at any gas station, and you're done in minutes. But you'll be doing that often, especially if your car isn't fuel efficient. Hybrids give you more range and fewer trips to the pump, but you're still tied to fuel stations. EVs can be charged at home overnight, which is super convenient. Public chargers are growing fast, and fast charging stations can give you an 80% charge in 30 to 45 minutes. But on long road trips, you need to plan ahead and make time for charging stops. What about the environment? EVs are the cleanest option, no tailpipe emissions at all. Even when you factor in battery production and electricity generation, they're far greener over their lifetime. Hybrids are better than petrol cars. They produce less CO2 and smog-forming pollutants, especially in stop-and-go traffic. Petrol cars are the worst in terms of emissions. They burn fossil fuels, release CO2, and contribute to climate change and urban air pollution. Finally, reliability and long-term outlook. EVs have fewer moving parts, no oil, no transmission, no fuel system, which means less can go wrong. Battery life has improved, and most EVs now offer warranties of 8 years or more. Hybrids are more complex because they have both electric and combustion systems, but most modern hybrids are very reliable. Battery replacements can be expensive, though they're rare in the first 8 to 10 years. Pet cars are well understood, but they have the most components that wear out: spark plugs, timing belts, radiators, mufflers, the list goes on. Over 10 years, they often cost more to maintain than hybrids or EVs. So, what's the verdict? If you want zero emissions, low maintenance, and instant performance, go electric. If you're not ready to commit but want better fuel economy, hybrid is a smart middle ground. Still holding onto tradition? Petrol cars are fading fast in the age of clean tech. Whichever you choose, make sure it fits your driving habits, budget, and future plans. What do you think? Which one are you leaning toward? Let us know in the comments.